Imagine a temple hidden deep inside the forests of Kerala, a temple where there is no traditional sanctum, a temple that opens only once a year, a temple believed to stand on the very ground where Sati sacrificed herself during Daksha's Yaga. Every year, thousands of devotees cross a river, walk through sacred groves, and gather at this ancient Yagya Bhumi to witness rituals found nowhere else in the world. Welcome to Kottayur Mahadev Temple, one of India's most mysterious and spiritually powerful Shiva temples. Today, we'll uncover its mythology, history, unique rituals, travel guide, and the secrets that make Kottayur unlike any other temple in India. Kottayur is located in the forested hills of Kannur district in northern Kerala, along the banks of the Bavli River, surrounded by the Western Ghats. It is approximately 70 kilometers from Kannur, 60 kilometers from Thalassery, and around 125 kilometers from Kozhikode. Unlike most temples, Kottayur consists of two sacred shrines located on opposite sides of the river. Ikkare Kottayur, the permanent temple. Akkare Kottayur, the seasonal temple that opens only during the annual festival. These two temples together form the famous Kottayur Mahadev temple complex. The mythology of Kottayur is closely linked to one of Hinduism's most powerful stories, Daksha Yaga. According to tradition, King Daksha organized a grand yagya but deliberately insulted Lord Shiva by refusing to invite him. Sati, Shiva's wife and Daksha's daughter, attended the yagya despite Shiva's warning. There she witnessed her father's disrespect toward Shiva. Unable to bear the humiliation, Sati sacrificed herself in the sacred fire. When Shiva learned of her death, he was overwhelmed with grief and rage. The place where this cosmic event is believed to have occurred is identified by tradition as Kottayur. Many devotees therefore regard Kottayur not merely as a temple, but as a sacred memorial to one of the most important events in Shaivite tradition. Most temples have a permanent sanctum and stone structures. Kottayur is different. The Akkare shrine is essentially a sacred yagya ground that becomes active only during the Vaishakha Mahotsavam. The central object of worship is a Swayambhu Shiva Linga associated with the ancient yagya site. Remarkably, the seasonal shrine does not have a conventional temple structure. Temporary ritual structures are erected during the festival and removed afterward. This preserves the belief that the sacred landscape itself is the temple. Every year during May and June, Kottayur celebrates the Vaishakha Mahotsavam. For 28 days, the normally quiet forest transforms into one of Kerala's largest pilgrimage centers. Thousands of devotees arrive from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and beyond. The festival begins with Neyattam, a sacred offering of marking the beginning of the rituals. Bhandaram Ezhonillat. Sacred ornaments and ritual articles are ceremonially brought to the temple. Elanir Vayappu. One of the most spectacular rituals. Thousands of tender coconuts are offered to Lord Shiva. The coconut water is later used for a sacred abhishekam known as Elanirattam. Rohini Aradhana. Perhaps the most unique ritual of Kottayur. A symbolic act representing Lord Vishnu consoling Lord Shiva after the loss of Sati. This ritual is rarely seen anywhere else in India. Kottayur is often called a living Vedic ritual ground. The rituals are performed amidst forests, river banks, natural ponds, and sacred groves rather than inside a large stone temple. This creates an atmosphere where nature itself becomes part of worship. Many devotees describe Kottayur as a place where spirituality feels raw, ancient, and untouched by time. How to reach Kottayur? By air. Nearest airport, Kannur International Airport. By rail. Nearest railway stations, Thalassery, Kannur. By road. Frequent buses and private vehicles connect Kottayur with Kannur, Thalassery, Iratti, Mattannur. Road access through the scenic Western Ghats makes the journey itself memorable. For the full spiritual experience, visit during the Vaishakha Mahotsavam in May-June. For a quieter visit Ikkare Kottayur during the rest of the year when regular worship continues in the permanent temple. Kottayur is not just another temple. It is a sacred forest. A living memory of Dakshayaga. A place where mythology, nature, and devotion come together in a way found nowhere else in India. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Kerala's most mysterious temples, subscribe to Divine Routes and join us as we uncover the stories, rituals, and hidden secrets of India's greatest temples.